So, hi, my name is Jamie. I am a student ambassador for Queen Mary University of London. I'm in my final year and I represent careers, so sort of do front of house things for the careers service. I also do things like these events. In terms of the structure of the day, we started off with a brief introduction by myself and a few of the other student planning group. We then went into a couple of talks. We did a workshop where we discussed different sort of student-facing kind of issues and things like that. We then had another quick-fire session with a couple of panelists about their current jobs. So in terms of what the people I've spoken to have been like, they've all been super friendly, but also from really diverse backgrounds, loads of different places. It's great seeing so many people from so many different universities because all the teams bring something new to the table. It's been a really cool experience.
I'm Emma Moore. I'm Head of University Partnerships at Gradconsult. We're super excited to be partnering with this event today with GTI. For us, it's really important for the sector that this group of careers professionals, so student careers professionals, are given development opportunities. They're an amazing talent pipeline for our sector. The students I've spoken to so far are so engaged. They just blow my mind. They're super engaged, they're super knowledgeable about what they do, they have amazing ideas. Peers and Careers is my absolute passion, so being here with lots of students has just been brilliant.